Guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Nadula here again. So same packaging as usual, and today we're working with a highlighted wig. Alright, so before we get into the wig, what we got in today's box, wig cap as usual. Like wig cap, you guys realize always come in the packages. It's like a must because it kind of goes with the wig, you know. And I got extra elastic band, and that's it. That's everything that came in today's box. As I said, today's wig is this gorgeous highlighted Brazilian body wave here. It's 24 inches long. Ooh, I like this. I actually love this because you know why? Okay, so yeah, I've been working with a lot of highlighted wigs since recently, but this one don't give me the yellow tone. Like the highlighted portions are more ash, like a dark ashy blonde look, if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. This is so beautiful. It's extremely full, like it's full from the root to the ends. Let's do a shed check. I got one strand, and yes, you know, this is processed here. Ooh, that's so soft. It's really soft. Wow, that's nice. I mean, yeah, straight out of the packaging you expect extremely like soft and, you know, beautiful hair that has amazing movement, but trust me, sometimes with processed hair that's not always the case, you know. So yeah, oh, this is also pre-plucked. The hairline looks so good. Yeah, the hairline looks really good. Came with a center part. It's a lace front wig, by the way. It's a 13 by 4, so it's a moderate parting space. Me personally, I love a deeper parting space, but you know, it can still work. It works. It still works. So yeah, that's how that looks. The inside of the cap has 3 combs, and it's a standard cap construction. It also has a adjustable strap in the back. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Oh, by the way, I'm going to put all the specifications in the description box, so the density, everything like that will be down there, so check that out for sure. Let's go ahead and jump into installing this.
Those hazard lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you,
This wig is so nice in the hairline to the point where I really don't even want to do any swoops or anything. Not saying that when I do my swoops, it's just like the vibe it's giving me today. I just feel like I'm not gonna do any swoops in the hairline portion. That's how I'm feeling right now. And I didn't have to cut off that much at the ear portion. It kind of fit pretty exact on my head, and I feel that's because of the way I braided my hair. My hair is currently only braided in 2, so maybe it's a little bit more buffy than usual. That's my natural hair, that is. So maybe when you're braiding up your hair, that has a lot to do with how flat the wig lays. So I'm going to be removing those braids soon and going back to my regular way of braiding, which is like probably 6 braids going straight back in my head. Right now I only have 2, so I think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, the hairline is really nice. I had to tell you guys, like, again, how nice.
stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, give up this
decided that okay, pull back vibe for this wig, not even sideburns. I'm not even doing sideburns today because the hairline is really nice. So all I'm gonna do is take my wax and my hot comb and I'm just going to lay it, make sure I just go over these areas, the center and the front here, and lay it really flat, and then I'm gonna proceed to curling it up. By the way, I also got my brand new curling iron, which I'm really excited about. I actually tested it out once and it's really good. You know, after watching all the reviews and really taking you guys' recommendation, I got it. I'm just gonna go over the hairline and just completely, you know, pull it back, get it really flat and laid. If you're doing this, be sure not to burn yourself, and you might be seeing a little bit of cast. That will be fixed in a bit. Summer is coming up and I feel like this whole color combo is trending, you know, brown slash highlighted hair vibe. Yeah, I feel like that's the trend for this summer. Apart from, you know, straight out going out and doing colors. If you don't necessarily want it, yeah, this is the vibe for summer. If you are going, you get a wig them and you are planning to look them, and this is not in the look, you need to go get it. Apart from if you don't like it, I mean, if you don't like it, then you just don't like it. But you know, yeah, to just add variety. And there was one that I also did from Nadula here some time ago, like from the beginning of the year, like in January. That was beautiful, where the two portion in the front here was very highlighted and the rest of it was brown. That was a vibe. I love that one, and I believe I did like a very pull back look, but like very thin swoops. Yeah, this is kind of giving me the same vibe with how well the hairline is plucked. Complete pull back, completely pulled back. No sideburn, no swoops. Every time I do this, I feel like I don't know, it's a whole different vibe. I got the T3 curling iron. This was recommended by quite a few of you guys, and I went ahead and did my research. I saw that okay, you know, a lot of people use this curling iron and they really like it. I used it for the first time last week and it was amazing. Amazing. It heats up, it goes up to 410 Fahrenheit, 210 degrees Celsius. Really, really hot.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, I'm with you. hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. I'm with you. I'm with you. I can't give up this
some very loose wave, but to be honest, I was hoping that it would have held the curls a little bit better. I guess because I didn't like let it set for a longer time, they've fallen a little quicker than I'd want, and because this is already body wave here, it's expected that it will hold the curls well, but it's falling. It's a very nice look right now, but like I'm just picturing that probably 2 hours from now it's gonna be probably completely down, like completely straightened out, and that I don't know about. So maybe if you decide to go ahead and get this wig, use a holding spray so your curls can probably last longer. The curling iron did an amazing job, but I just feel like the hair itself didn't hold the curls as how I'd like it to. So that's just my honest opinion right there. As it relates to the wig itself, like the color, the highlights, everything is totally gorgeous, and yeah, I love that about it. The hairline, as you can see, it is no baby hairs. It's really nice, came nicely pre-plucked, so I love that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's wig look though. That is it. Right now I'm gonna go on the road, I'm gonna rock this look. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.